awesome video. I remain my humble self, Chukwuka Obelago, and in today's video I want to share with you guys another income what's it called, reward from my Kringle.cash account. So what I'm going to do this 2021 that I started in 2020, late 2020, is to show you guys some of my results, okay, with different platforms, whether it's TBC, whether it's the results we are having with TST, or whether it's the FODMAP token, whatever it is, okay, I'm going to show you guys the result. Now I already told you guys about one each exchange, one each token where I made about $6,000. Okay, you guys know about Uniswap. I made about 6,000, close to more than 6,000, like more than 20, about 27 Ethereum. Assuming I had those Ethereum till now, that would be serious money, but I cashed out. Okay, so I don't regret that. So, but today we're talking about Kringle.cash, and I recently made about 18 grains. Okay, the TBC admin is no longer showing the amount in BTC, so I cashed out 18 grains worth of Bitcoin. Okay, on the 3rd. Okay, today is 6, that 3 days ago. Okay, so what I also want to do is to show you guys the proof on blockchains, to show you guys that it's real. So you guys take note of my address. Okay, this is my address. Okay, this is my address here again. You can see it here. As at the time I received this, it was $71. Okay, but based on the fact that Bitcoin has gone up to that $5 today, it's currently $74.24. But I already cashed out. Okay, I already cashed out. So guys, just want to share with you guys this short testimony to let you guys know that I made $71. You can call it $74 right now based on today's value. Okay, but what I actually received was $71. Okay, as at the time I got this result, I still have what do I call it? Sorry about that. I still have some uncollected mass adoption funding. Okay, I think it's about, should be about $15-17 by now, but they said that you must be active to be among the mass adoption list to redeem. So for me to be active, I think it requires a minimum of 2 referrals per week. Okay, so far I'm having 0 and none pending, but that's okay. That's okay. Okay, anytime I'm qualified to be in the mass adoption team, fine, no problem. The only thing there is to make sure that I pay my own monthly admin fee. So I paid for this month, and I think it's expected to expire in February. So when it expires in February, I will renew again and continue to cash out on Bitcoin Bounty. You yourself can also cash out. All you have to do is just sign up for free, but you have to do the work. Okay, I have a strategy that I use. Okay, Okay, but the most important thing is that you have to do the work. Okay, it's not sitting back and relax and getting paid. No, you have to do the work. It's more or less referral program. As you can see from here, there's a referral link. Okay, so that, guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and till I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.